Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to move, scale or rotate objects in Roblox Studio. So for example, you have an object in your Roblox Studio place. You can add an object from your toolbox, just like I did it. So open models and add something. And for example, now you wanna select this object, clicking on it, but it's not selected. So how to fix it? All you need to do is just click on home at the very top, and here you will see these four buttons: select, move, scale, and rotate. Or you can use really helpful shortcuts. Just click on one to select, two to move this object, three to scale it, yeah, like that, and four to rotate it. So it's really helpful. Now you can rotate it, scale, and move it. It was a really short tutorial. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the How to PC channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.